Ask anybody what they want out of life. Ask any parent what they want for their kid out of life. Ask any child what they would like for their parent out of life. And apart from the odd time, you'll get the same answer. I want them to be happy. I want to be happy. The problem is, do you know what is going to make you happy? Most people don't. Most people haven't got a clue. But the subconscious mind thinks it does. The subconscious mind thinks continuing the habits and grasping towards the good things that it wants and pushing away the bad things is going to make you happy. So it clings on to these illusions of a pay rise or a lottery win or more spiritual or fitter or losing weight. All these things is going to suddenly make you happy. And without knowing exactly, without giving the subconscious mind exactly what we need and what we want to do with a definite goal, the subconscious mind bumbles through life just trying to grab things, the desires, and push away the bad things. And it's just this constant want, it's this constant grasping. And while you're doing that, if you're waiting for the next thing around the corner, you're living around that corner already. You're living towards, do you know what, I'm going to be happy once this happens to me. Once I move house, once I move into a new area, once I get that pay rise. You're living in the future. So again, another reason why life just goes and disappears. So 20 years passes just the blink of an eye. I know I said this in the last video, but it's a reality. You know, for one, it's all our habits. And for two, it's because this constant wanting, this needing, this searching for this happiness. It's an illusion to keep us going, keep us going.